I'm picking up a solid maple dresser from Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. Watch the incredible transformation how I turn this dresser into a modern farmhouse dresser. I have a project I want to do with this, and I think this is a great specimen. The top of this dresser is in pristine condition. It's absolutely stunning. I love it, and it's going to work great for the project I have. I'm not going to do anything to the top. I'm going to paint the outside portion of the dresser white, replace the drawer pulls to modernize, and leave the top intact in the same color and everything. It's going to look really, really nice. Stick around, you can watch the progress in action. I just inspected all the drawers. They all work amazing. All I gotta do is wax them up at the very end when I'm done with this project. But look inside, every drawer slide is in amazing condition, like it's like brand spanking new. Solid drawers, some dovetail. It's so beautiful inside, all solid wood, solid maple dresser. So all drawers work amazing. All I'm gonna do is scuff sand this whole dresser up besides the top, paint it white. Take the drawer pulls off. Okay, I went ahead and took off all the drawer pulls. Now I'm going to go ahead and sand the dresser. That way we can get it ready for paint. Looks like the drawer pulls came for the dresser. Let's go check them out. Oh, they got them individually wrapped. That's really nice. These should look pretty nice on this dresser. What I do is I put these drawer pulls on loosely and I go back with a drill and tighten them down. So just hand tight. Draw loose, and I'll go back later with the drill. It's a lot quicker that way. Waxing the wood top. This top is beautiful on this dresser. It's one of the reasons why I got this dresser, for a nice specimen to paint it white. Alright guys, this farmhouse dresser is now complete. I'm going to go ahead and list it for $350. I bought it for $50. I actually spent more money on this. I really wanted to, but I wanted this top. This top is pristine and actually very, very beautiful. So I'm really excited to have this one finished. I think it looks amazing, and hopefully we get a buyer super quick. Alright guys, I got a buyer lined up for this farmhouse dresser I just posted about an hour ago, as it says here. I'm super excited about this and surprised it coming in that quick. I think there's a few people that missed the last one that I sold yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. So this one was right in the pipeline as well. The other one took a lot longer than one day to sell. So it looks like everything's lined up. Looks like they're going to give me the address, and it's not too far from my storage shop. So that way we can get some more inventory, start churning the process, and keep the momentum going.